everybody, welcome back to Great Northwest Weaponry, day at the range, round 8. Today we are doing a 6.5mm party. Just an excuse to bring out all of my 6.5mm rifles that we've taken a look at on the channel so far. Of course, starting with the Arisaka Type 38, as this is the one that's been the longest since it's been seen on the channel. Got 3 rifles with us today. We're going to be doing another clip through the Carcano in a bit, but first, I'm going to switch to our next rifle, one of my personal favorites. This is the Gustav's Swedish Mauser, model 1896. Got to be careful. I've got ammunition spread between 3 different pockets, and again, these are all 6.5mm rifles, so got to be careful. Luckily, the clips are pretty easy to distinguish from one another. So this is another 5-rounder. Demos of all 3 of these guns have already been done, so if you want to learn about the history of these, I'll post links in the video description to their respective demos. And since all 3 of the rifles I have with me today, I happen to have bayonets for, I decided what the heck, we'll go with mounted bayonets. So here we go. I love this thing. It just feels so nice. My only complaint is the length with the bayonet on the end. It feels heavy. Going from something that feels heavy to something that feels like a little teeny mosquito rifle. Carcano, model 1891 Macheto Cavalry Carbine. Only got 1 clip for this one, as I had exactly 6 rounds left, and these are fed with a 6-round end block clip. This is the only one of the 3 with a mounted folding bayonet. Mounted folding bayonet that likes to come unlocked and just flop over. So we'll see how that goes. Here we go, 6 shots. Wow, this feels weird after those long ones. There's what I was talking about with the bayonet. See if that stays. Gonna see if I can find where this thing hits. I can't quite tell where I'm hitting. Okay, that one was just barely low. We're about 50 yards from a 12-inch steel target. Okay, that was to the right. I believe that was the last shot, as it was a pain to load. Can't tell if the clip is coming out or not. Yeah, oh well. No, we got 1 more. Now the clip is free. No hits. If this were a competition, the Macheto resoundingly loses. Got 1 more clip for each of the other rifles, so we're just gonna cycle back through them in the order that we were already going and just go back to the Arisaka. 5 rounds. Here we go. That's a little more like it. I'm a fan of the Type 38, but still, of these 3, I do believe the finest and best shooting, it's got to be the Swede. It just feels good. And this is the only of the 3 that is a cock on close, by the way. 5 for 5. That's how I like to end a video right there. At the risk of making myself sound stupid by just talking after that, because that was the one and only perfect run I've had all day. Hope you all enjoyed the video. This has been Tom from Great Northwest Weaponry, and we'll see you next time.